Driving on unfamiliar roads. 3 tips to reduce your anxiety. First, look at the roadsides, read the road signs. If there's a contradiction between your GPS and the road signs, always go with the road signs. Tip number 2, drive in the right lane because you're going to be going slower because you're not familiar with where you're driving and those types of things. And the third tip, if you're looking for an address, slow down, put your 4-way flashers on to indicate the other traffic that you are being unpredictable. And that way you're going to be safe when you're looking for another address. If you're near the address and you know that you're close and you're just not finding it, park the car, get out, walk, look for the location, the address where you're going, and find it. And that way you're going to be safer than driving around in your car and trying to be looking for an address and not paying attention to your driving. For more information, smartdrivetest.com.